Bangladesh is one of the poorest and densely populated countries in the world. It is located in South Asia and is bordered by India from three sides: Burma from the southeast corner and the Bay of Bengal from the south. People in this country are constantly facing poverty and natural disaster. The average per capita income of the people of this country is $1909. Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra (SMKK) is a national humanitarian and development organization working since its inception in January 1996. It is committed to serve the needy people and working towards various humanitarian and development programs. These programs are implemented in various regions of Bangladesh, supported by various donors. In August 2017, more than 1 million Rohingya refugees fled to Cox's Bazar in Bangladesh after being subjected to horrific torture by their country's administration. The total number of Rohingya refugees fleeing the state has risen to more than 1.1 million. SMKK has responded with the current influx of forcibly displaced Myanmar nationals (FDMN) since September 2017 and working in various sectors like wash, health, education, protection, solar energy and non-food items for distribution activities. All activities are centered on emergency relief and life-saving as first aid. We are greatly thankful to the donors of Love Army from the different corners of the world for supporting Love Army to assist the most persecuted Rohingya minority in the world's largest refugee camp at Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. Love Army ensures 100% donation to the Rohingya from the beginning of Rohingya crisis in 2017 by different partners. Currently, SMKK is implementing 5 projects in Rohingya camps at Ukhia, Cox's Bazar, funded by Love Army USA, such as wash, garbage clean, emergency primary and mental health, protection, food and nutrition project through Rooftop Garden, Wash Project. Funded by Love Army USA, SMKK is implementing WASH project for ensuring the non-functioning tube wells into smooth functioning through prompt response, repairing and servicing, as well as community people's effective involvement in proper practices of tube well water users and primary health hygiene promotion in Rohingya camps. Under Ukhia sub-district of Cox's Bazar and cover 4,900 Rohingya families and 24,500 people under the project.
I would like to thank you guys, our technician team who are repairing the deep table. So because of their bad job and they are helping our community, the Rohingya community, to get the safe water. So I would like to thank them. Thank you very much. At the beginning of 25 August, beginning of this camp, there were no table to have the drinking water for Rohingya people. So very beginning, Love Army installed 82 deep table that can provide safe and drinking water for Rohingya people. They can enjoy the drinking water. So Love Army installed 82 deep table in different block and camp. And from then, Love Army is still continuing this project till 2020. And along them, Love Army is repairing per month 150 table, whose table are non-functional. Love Army technician and Love Army and SMKK technician team are repairing this table. Because of that, the Rohingya can get the water easily. And also, you know that Love Army is carrying this project with SMKK, collaborating with SMKK in Camp 5 and Camp 17. In every month, our technician team are repairing 150 table. We have installed 82 table, deep table, but along our table, we are repairing the non-functional table of other organization that help people to get the water easily. Otherwise, if the table is unfunctional, it should be keep unfunctional. When the neighborhood call our technician team, they come immediately and make it functional and help them to get water. So the beneficiaries Rohingya requesting Love Army and SMKK to keep continue this project. That's why they can get water as usual.
Garbage Clean Project, funded by Love Army USA, SMKK is implementing Garbage Clean Project for solid waste management in the forcibly displaced Myanmar Rohingya camps at Ukhia sub-district in Cox's Bazar and cover 5,000 Rohingya families and 25,500 people under the project.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Zubair, 18 years old, and I'm working with SMKK, Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra, with garbage project. And we are very happy that we can work with, with SMKK by the fund of Love Army. And all the beneficiaries are happy with the help of Love Army. First of all, when we started working here was very dirty and people were unhealthy. But right now, people are having a healthy life. That when we started cleaning the blocks, and all the beneficiaries and all of our volunteers are hoping that to be continue this project. And we all thanks to Love Army and we the volunteer and officer of SMKK and the beneficiaries and all the Rohingya community are hoping that we could keep this project continue and live a healthy life in future. Thank you, all of you.
Love Army launched this garbage project for the Rohingya community to protect them from the dirty environment. In 2020, Love Army started with in collaboration with SMKK for the to protect the refugees from the different and several diseases. By these projects, more than 25,000 Rohingya beneficiaries are directly benefited to protect them from the dirty environment and bad environment. Also, 20 Rohingya volunteers are directly benefited by the salary. So for the projects, they are hoping to continue it for the long time in future, so that the community will be benefited and the volunteers too. Thank you.
Emergency Primary and Mental Health Support Project. SMKK has set up 2 health posts in Camps 5 and 18 with the financial support of Love Army USA to provide emergency primary and mental health support in the forcibly displaced Myanmar nationals of Cox's Bazar and cover 5,200 Rohingya people.
Assalamu alaikum. Anna mabadakatu. Ara kaim five honu doctor hana yana asidara balaoye. Ara agiashi oshu bishukole ashok shamai. Ayene oshut loja yene ara hai balavai. Ehono ashi. To yan tahil ara kushi ara la baloy.
Jubada Begum said, we are very happy to get this health post in our Camp 5. Actually, there is not more of health facilities in our Camp 5 around our block. So for our Rohingya community, for my community, it is very important for us. So we are very much happy with the service of SMKK through Love Army.
Hello, I'm Imran Hossain. I'm a medical assistant. Work in SMKK, Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra, founded by Love Army USA. We work on project emergency primary and mental health support. We provided Rohingya community people medical service and provide also free medicine.
Myself Dr. Shahidul Islam Farhad. Here I am medical officer of SMKK, Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra, founded by Love Army USA. Here we provided primary health service to the refugees of Rohingya Here various numerous kind of patient like skin manifestation patient are more like scabies, chiniasis, dermatitis. Then pregnant patient the pregnant patient come here for their antenatal checkup. We provide educate health service to them.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Mitali Sarkar, Medical Officer in Health Post, Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra, SMKK. First of all, I want to thank Love Army USA for providing such opportunity to these Rohingya community people. Here we provided medical services to these Rohingya community people such as free outdoor service, free medicine, breastfeeding corner, household visit by health promoter, treatment of non-communicable diseases like hypertension, asthma, diabetes mellitus, and some nutritional support like vitamin and zinc. Here also we also provide counseling about breastfeeding, family planning, hygiene, nutrition, and sometimes about in pregnancy. Rohingya peoples are very much happy with our services, and obviously these thanks goes to Love Army USA. And as a medical officer, I also requested to Love Army USA for continuing the project because these Rohingya peoples don't have any opportunity to have these types of services nearer to them, and I think this will be considered. Thank you.
Actually, Love Army provides in two health posts, one in Camp 18 and one in Camp 5. During our visit, the beneficiaries asked in their comments, in their speeches, they are requesting that if within next 1 and 2 months, if the project's medical healthcare service close, then they will suffer for the treatment. And so they are expecting it will be much better if this such kind of services, medical and health services, will continue by the SMKK in the camp of 18th and 5 for the Rohingya community. The beneficiaries will be much benefited, and especially in this COVID-19 crisis, they are thinking, they are so much thoughtful that if it is suddenly closed, this will be a big problem, a big crisis for the beneficiaries in this time. In this critical time, they need the help of the the NGOs and the donor agencies. So they are expecting it will be continued for the long time.
Food and Nutrition Project.
By these projects, also the Rohingya will be benefited. They can enjoy the vegetables to be healthy, and also they can be in good environment with the trees because vegetables can protect the disease and keep them well. And so in this environment, the Rohingyas are staying in a hilly area. There is a lack of trees, oxygen, so it will be good. It will be good for the Rohingyas to enjoy these projects. So SMKK and Love Army providing this service to the Rohingyas, and Rohingyas are very happy too, and they want to continue it for the long time. Thank you.
Financial support by Love Army USA. SMKK is implementing food and nutrition project for ensuring food and nutrition security of the forcibly displaced Myanmar nationals through cultivating vegetables in their courtyard and shade rooftops and plant trees in surrounding environment in the camps of Cox's Bazar, and cover 10,000 Rohingya refugees from 200 Rohingya families at Camp 5.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওবরাকাতুহু আয়গদ আছে রোহিঙ্গার জনগোষ্ঠীর বিরুদ্ধে আর আছে বর্মাত্রিত আছে যাই জুলুম হায় আছে আর এখন বাংলাদেশের মাঝে স্থান লই তাহলে আর আছে আর বর্মান মাঝে আছে আর বেশা বেশি কেত কলা আছে গরি তরি হাইতাম দে মানুষ তো এখন আছে বাংলাদেশের মাঝে এরা 3 বছর পর্যন্ত হইয়ে আর আছে হনো কাঁচা ততর হারি দিন আর হাইনে ভারি আর সরকার মাত্র দে দেয় ডাইল তেল এগুলা আছে সবসময় হনো হাইনে ভারি তো আর আছে এখন আছে লাভ আর্মি SMKK তরফ থেকে আছে আর কিছু সারা দিল সারার নাম হয়ে আছে বেগুন সারা মরিচের সারা তারপরে দিচ্ছে পেঁপে চারা। তো এই ইন্দা আছে আরা যদি সে আর কিছু দানা দুনাই দিয়ে দানার বীজ দিয়ে তারপরে ইংরেজি আরাদ আছে এখন সারাইলে লাগাইলে আরা কিছু ইন্টুফল ফলাদ আছে ফাইও আর এই কিনতে আছে আরা হাইট পাইজুম আর যদি সে বেশা বেশি অসুবিধ দর এদিলা দৌড়িলে দাসা অন্য কিওরে সাহায্য করে যাইজুম আর যদি এত বেশ দৌড়ে দৌড়িলে দাসে আরা বেশি কিনে কিছু টিয়া পয়সা জমাইতে পাইজুম। তো এই আরাদ আছে এই জিনিস যদি ইয়ার আগে আরার দিত আর আরো বেশি উপহার হইতো। এখন স্যার মৃত্যু এখন দিয়ে বেশি উপহার হয় আল্লাহ বলি ওরে তারপরে স্যার মৃত্যু না আর ইয়াতুনার একটা বেশ বেশ দিবাল্লাহ বলে আর লাভ আর্মি SMKK দাসে ধন্যবাদ জানাইলাম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।
My name is Binu Philip Pinaru. I am working with Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra SMKK as a project manager. We are working forcible displaced Myanmar national people in 3 camps for implementing 5 projects which are funded by Love Army USA from January 2020. I would like to give special thanks to Love Army USA for taking on this kind of initiatives. We have been assisting a total 47,350 beneficiaries from 10,000 families through the 5 projects. Many of Rohingya community people are benefiting from our activity, especially primary medical health support through the health project, solid waste management, tubewell repairing, and homestead backyard vegetable cultivation, and women and child friendly space. The project is going to end in the 6th month. The Rohingya people will benefit more if the project activities are extended. Finally, I would like to thank Love Army USA again and request it for extend of the projects.
All of SMKK staff, volunteers, and also Rohingya refugees are very much happy and appreciated to Love Army for humanitarian work.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Shafiul Ajam, Project Manager, Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra SMKK. Emergency primary and mental health support to the Rohingya campus in Ukhia Coxbazar. SMKK is a national humanitarian and development organization and working in Bangladesh since 1996 to serve the needy people. You know, SMKK is implementing different type of program and projects in Bangladesh such as education, health, emergency relief and rehabilitation program, skill development program, livelihood, agriculture, horticulture development program, Ramadan, Kurbani. Already we implementing Love Army funded projects at Rohingya campus in Coxbazar from January 2020, such as health, wash and garbage clean, food and nutrition project through rooftop garden, and women and child friendly space also. In the COVID-19 and global pandemic situation, SMKK team trying to implement the project with honesty, transparency, sincerity and accountability. Thanks to Love Army and Mr. Jerome Jare also for our partnership. SMKK team very much happy and appreciated, and also grateful to Mr. Jerome Jare and Love Army team.
They are requesting to Love Army as well as Mr. Jerome Jerry for continuing the project in Rohingya camps of Cox's Bazar.
Assalamu alaikum. I am M. Munzur Kadir, Executive Director, Sheba Manab Kallyan Kendra, SMKK, Bangladesh. SMKK is working in the Rohingya camp since the influx in August 2017. First of all, I would like to thank Love Army USA and Mr. Jerome Jerry, Executive Director, for supporting to Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh. First of all, I like to thank Love Army USA and Mr. Jerome Jerry, Executive Director, for supporting to Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh. Rohingya people are very much happy to receive these supports and required to SMKK for continue the project. As the Executive Director of SMKK, I am also requesting to Love Army for continuing the project. Because of Rohingya people are benefiting a lot from the projects. Stay home, stay safe and healthy. Thank you all.